So guys, how to download the Lenovo IdeaPad 5i2 in one core. Okay, so open any browsers, so type like that. So first link to right click to new tab, which is pcsupport.lenovo.com. This is officially website. You can install the driver. So you can see there are two type to install driver. First guys, you automatic, so install the setup, and sometime after some time it will detect you require driver to your system. And second is guys, this is manual, so you just click to select driver. After that you can see the camera. Okay, you can see this camera driver. You just click to download. After just click to download, just wait, start automatically. You can see this downloading here. Then guys, this is setup, just single click. Then click to yes. Then I accept, next. You can see there are two types install. First extract only, and this is install only. So select the install, you can directly install to, and then next. If you know about your model number, so you can enter your laptop serial number and then hit enter. Automatically show your laptop. You can camera driver install successfully and then close it and then finished.